Hi guys, I've got 10 minutes. Special permission from my wife. I should have collected her already, but I want to give this Syma a little run. Every time I've tried to fly it, it's died as soon as we've taken off. I've done some work on it. The aerial was loose and I've changed the battery connector, so now it's using the same battery connector I normally use on the other Syma. So all I'm going to do is just give it a quick fly. There's a little bit of wind, but not too bad. So I'll just have a little fly around here just to see if it lasts longer than 2 seconds. If I remember, I'll put a clip from the last time I tried to fly it, because it went up about an inch and then it went along and then it died. Hi guys, Abbott's Pool again. I've brought both of the Syma drones that I was given. That one's standard and flies okay. This one had been modified for various reasons, and I've got an external battery strapped on it. I think the camera is running, but I can't be sure. When I tried it at home it didn't work. But we'll just give it a little fly around, or try, because the very first time I tried flying it, it flew for a second and then just died. So we'll just see if we can get it up and fly it around a little bit. Okay. No, is the answer there? Oh. Right, okay. Well, in that case, we won't be flying it. So we'll see if we can do any better. There's no camera on it. We're just going to go up. Right. Well, that's a longer flight than last time already. Well, it's flying. This is the one I've got my 3D printed legs on. So this is also a test to see if they stay on. We seem all right so far. Now, if I can remember, that button should be faster mode now. Yeah, we seem to be going okay. I don't know what the original problem was with it. I think my friend had just decided he wanted a bigger battery on it, which was okay, but I didn't have any suitable batteries with that connector. The ones that I thought were okay were rubbish batteries, so I've changed it back to the original type of connector, and I've got the original Syma battery on it. And also the aerial, as I say, the aerial had fallen off, so I've resoldered that, and that seems to be better as well now. Don't know if 5 minutes is up or 10 minutes, whatever I said I had. Whoop. Right, I don't know what manoeuvre I tried just then. Knocked my leg off, but that came off perfectly. It hasn't snapped, it's just fallen off. So push that back on. So that's good crash resistance. I think we have to go off and on again when we've done that. Yeah, still running. I think what I just did then was actually did a flip without pressing the button. Right. Oh, I had a look to see if this one does headless mode. It doesn't. This particular model. The newer one does. The X5D or something. But this one doesn't. I think we're slowing down a bit now. Oop, in the branches there. Right, well that'll do. That's me 5 minutes up, I think. 10 minutes. It can't be 10 minutes. I don't think the battery lasts for 10 minutes. Although this one seems to be doing pretty well. Well, I'm expecting the battery to die, but it's doing alright. Oop. Oh, there's my alarm. That's me 10 minutes up. And we've still got power. Yeah. when you want to do a throw launch, it's best not to throw it straight into a tree, I should think. Let's do that again. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, well that was perfect. Time's run out, and it does work. It actually lasted longer on that battery than I expected, so I'm actually going to be a little bit late going back. Naughty Grandad. Never mind. Pleased with that, and my little legs worked as well. So that can go back in there, and off we go.